Hello, I'm Anthony. Welcome to the Plastic Brain channel. On this channel, I will provide you with new information every day. Today, we will explore the interesting features of pandas, whose species is under threat due to their laziness and clumsiness. These adorable creatures don't pay much attention to the laws of physics and have limited problem-solving abilities. Since they don't fear heights and feel safe sleeping in elevated places, they tend to climb a lot. However, they often lack a clear understanding of how to descend, meaning they can fly but not land. With an average lifespan of 30 years, pandas face various clumsiness but still learn and adapt. Besides being overly emotional, they exhibit diverse behaviors towards their cubs. Some pandas won't even share their toys with their cubs, while others form strong bonds, even exceeding the 8-month nursing period. Due to the high risk of taking each other along, pandas prefer to live alone, yet their appetites soar when they are together. Consequently, solitary pandas may experience depression and loss of appetite. Speaking of appetite, even in their depressed state, these pandas consume a minimum of 15 kilograms of bamboo daily. In summary, pandas' unique behaviors, challenges, and solitary nature contribute to their conservation concerns, making it crucial to address the threats to their species. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more information. Have good days.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun.